this is the first step. You put the object in the place of subject. Put verb to be in the tense of the verb in active voice, okay? So firstly, as we can see here, okay? Look here at the screen. What is happening? Oh, it's changing now. Okay, now what happened? We put was. We put was with I, he, she, and it. And we put were with you, we, and they, or any plural, of course. Okay. And after that, we are gonna put what? We are gonna put the verb. If the verb is regular, we will just put ed, like play, played, listen, listened, wanted, right? Now it's irregular. It's irregular. You have to study it and memorize it as it is. Write, written, fly, flew, flown, flown, okay? Meet, met. Okay, so put verb to be in the tense of the verb in active and past participle. So you have to add past participle. Okay? So now we find that the play was what was written by Shakespeare. As we can see that here we put by. Okay? Now we will make the practice from the book. Okay? We will do the practice from the book. Okay? We already finished these words for lesson 1.
Yes, you are working for my teacher.
Choose some students to answer this.
My teacher, yeah. I'm working from my teacher, guys, okay?
Okay.
Of course, you
My
have to
teacher,
study
my
the
book
work.
is my friend.
What?
My book is my friend.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Even if it was my friend, you can work from it because it's the same grammar rules. Okay? So as we can see here, it would be different only it would be different only in the answer in the questions, okay?
Okay.
So now let's see here.
Can you question us?
Can you what?
Question us.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm gonna start from the beginning. Okay, now.
My exercise is homework
You
on
can.
lesson 1.
Yeah,
Teacher, can you ask us?
rewrite. Yeah. I'm gonna give questions, but wait a minute. Okay, I will take different kind of questions. Okay, I'm gonna choose. Adil drew 3 pictures. Number 7. If you have the book, it's number 7. Adil drew 3 pictures. Adil drew 3 pictures. Okay, now I'm gonna pick one to answer with me.
Me, teacher.
Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, guys.
Can I answer?
I know.
Just
know,
just to follow some order. Okay.
Two.
Adil.
Can
Miss,
I
can you
answer?
close the mics?
Okay. Flew.
Can I answer, Miss?
Okay, 1 minute. Just wait, and I'm gonna ask
Miss,
you all.
Adil drew.
Please close the mic.
Yeah, Adil drew what?
Adil drew 3 pictures.
Yeah, excellent. Okay, thank you. Okay,
Welcome.
so here I'm gonna write Adil drew 3
Picture.
pictures. Adil drew 3 pictures. Okay, so now I'm gonna ask whom?
Me, teacher. I'm Malak.
Okay, Malak, answer with me. Okay.
Me, teacher, me. Me,
1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Okay, not to close all the mics. Okay, we will follow some order in order to finish. Okay. Yalla ya Malak. Number 1. Where is the subject?
3 picture. Where
No. From the beginning. From the beginning. Where is the subject?
Pictures.
No, the real subject is
Adil.
Adil.
okay.
Adil.
Yes. And where is the verb?
Drew.
True. And where is the object? It's three.
Pictures.
Yeah.
Three
Now
pictures.
the first step, Malak, the first step عندي that I change the object into subject, right? So this is the new
Yes.
subject, okay? So now, if you find that the object here starts with a small letter, when you change, you start with capital letter. Capital
Yeah.
letter. When you start your object, start with capital letter.
Capital.
So what?
Yeah, so here we are going to start with
This
three.
three pictures.
Yeah, three pictures. Three
Where?
pictures.
Where drawing?
Now I'm gonna put either I put was or where, okay? Up till now we are
Where?
talking about sentence. We didn't move to question.
Where? Because there's three pictures.
Yeah, it's a three pictures, so it's
Yeah.
now it's a plural. Okay, suppose
okay,
that
drawing.
Malak forgot to
Adam.
write where. Is her sentence is true? No. لو ملك نست تكتب where, her sentence is incorrect. طبعا الجملة بتاعتها مش مظبوطة. Okay? Where?
Item.
Drawing?
Yes.
The three pictures.
By
Adel.
yes,
By
by Adel.
Adel.
Yeah,
E.
excellent.
A. That's three pictures.
Okay, now let's move to another thing.
Thank you,
Please mute
teacher.
yourself, everyone. Mute yourself.
No,
I
teacher.
want to answer. Teacher Amrawan, can I answer?
Okay, 1 minute, Rawan. Okay. Now let's move to another thing. The boys did the homework yesterday. The boys.
Let's say Mother. Can I answer?
Okay, just wait, guys, and you will take your chance. Okay, the boys did
Miss, we are
the homework.
40.
Yeah. So what is the problem?
Teacher, boys with O, not with you.
Yeah.
All will not answer. All
Sorry.
will not
Go-
answer.
1 minute. Okay. The boys did the homework. Okay. Now I need to change this sentence from active into passive. Okay. From active into passive. Okay. Now, Iyad, can you answer, Iyad?
Okay. The homework
Yes.
I want to answer.
by boys.
Okay, Iyad, 1 minute. Where is the object, Iyad? The homework, right? Right, okay. After the homework, what should we do, Iyad? We should put was or where? Any of them. If you didn't put them, your sentence is not true, okay?
Okay.
So you should do what? You should put was or where, okay? So now what will you say? The homework, yes?
The homework was do.
The third, the past participle from do is what? Do, did,
Dean.
done, done. No, not did, done. Do, did, done. Yes, do, did, done. Do, did, done. Okay? Did you got it? Iyad, you understand? يبقى أنا بعمل إيه هنا يا إياد؟ إياد بعمل إيه هنا يا إياد؟ بعمل حاجتين. بحط was aware, okay? And after was aware I put the past participle. بالظبط كده. يبقى أهم حاجة يا أولاد نعرفها النهاردة. The most important thing.
I understand you.
Okay. The most important thing you know. أهم حاجة نعرفها يا أولاد إن إحنا نحط was or where ومعاها ال past participle. Was or where plus past participle. Was or where plus past participle. I muted everyone because I can hear a lot of noise. Was or where plus past participle. Okay? So now what did we do? We put was or where plus past participle. Yeah, suppose that I didn't put was, my sentence is not true. Suppose that I didn't put where, also my sentence is not true. So whenever you find in rewrite, he asks you to put done. He asks you to put what? Done. So in the exam, he will not ask you to, مش هيجي في الامتحان يقول لك حول إلى الباسف. No. What he will ask you to do, he will ask you to put the past participle. يا إما هيقول لك تحط ال past participle، يا إما هيقول لك تحط by، يبقى معناها إن أنا بحول برضو للباسف، يا إما هيقول لك
all the homework.
Okay,
يا
one
إما-
minute, I'm gonna tell you the
يا
homework.
إما was أو were.
Yes. Okay, did you got it? So whenever you have a sentence like that, guys, you have to make sure you do 3 steps. ايه هي الستبس اللي عندي؟ أول حاجة أول خطوة عندي قلنا we change the object into subject. بنحول المفعول إلى فاعل. بعد كده بنحط was or were. بعد كده عندي بنعمل إيه؟
بنحاول بعد كده
past.
بنحط past participle.
Yes, very good. Okay, did you
My
got it?
teacher, I want to answer.
The next question.
Okay,
Teacher,
now
I
let's...
want to answer the next question.
Okay. This is Rawan?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Rawan, answer with me. Radwa washed the dishes. Radwa washed the dishes.
The dishes.
Okay, 1 minute, I'm gonna write the sentence. Radwa washed the dishes.
The dishes.
Okay, now let's start our sentence.
Okay, teacher, with you.
Yes.
The dishes
What should you
were
do with that? You should put it
washed.
capital letter. Okay, the dishes, yes.
Okay. Where?
Where?
Yes.
Yes, and after where?
Washed by Radwa.
Yes, were washed by
Radwa.
Radwa. Yes. Okay. So
My
this
teacher, I want to answer. I am Hannah.
okay, Hannah.
Teacher, I
Who
want to
will
answer.
Phoenix?
I'm Abdullah.
Okay, Abdullah. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yes.
Okay, let's
I
take some.
want to answer the
I
question.
wanted to answer because I didn't answer.
Who is this?
Only
Okay,
teacher two who answered.
okay, now let's move to Hannah, and after that we can pick some of you. Okay,
Me, Abdullah.
but we have to follow some order, guys. Okay. Ahmed watched a football match. Ahmed watched a football match. Okay, now let's write this. Ahmed watched a
ممكن
football.
أقول حاجة ثواني؟
اتفضلي يا حبيبتي. مين؟
أنا عمر مصطفى يا مس.
يلا يا
هو
عمر.
حضرتك كلهم فاتحين المايك مع بعض، وأنا عندي البرنامج علق، وعشان كده أنا بفضل أدخل وأطلع.
حاضر يا عمر. والله انا قفلت المايك بس يعني شويه وبيفتح، بس هو ملوش علاقه بان هو بيعلق عندك.
لا بيخلي الزوم يعلق يا بس. اصل الصوت بيبقى ملخبط في بعضه فيعمل تعليق.
ماشي يا عبد الله. طيب تمام. احمد watched the football match. تمام، يلا بينا نبدا معايا. يلا يا هنا.
Yeah.
احمد this is the
Ahmed is
subject.
subject.
Yes. Watched.
Watched a verb.
Watched, yes. And the
Football match object.
Yes. So Ahmed is the subject, watched is a verb, football match is the object. Okay? Yeah. So now we will start with.
But the object two subjects. Football match.
Yes.
Match. Was.
Yes. Watched.
Football.
By Ahmed.
By Ahmed.
Yes. So you have many types of questions. If you
Call
look,
me after Hannah. I'm Asir.
okay, one
Teacher,
minute,
you
guys.
said Abdullah after that.
مريم
ينفع اجاوب انت بعدين لو سمحتي؟ مش ينفع
Yes,
اجاوب؟
Okay.
where's the screen? Where's the
I just closed the mics again because I can hear a lot of noise again. Guys, let's follow some order, okay? Don't say to me, I want to answer, because already I know that all of you, mashallah, excellent guys, and you need to answer, okay? So I just need you to follow some order. Just raise your hand and I'm gonna pick you, okay? Now I can see Abdullah here. Is his hand? Yes, Abdullah. Answer with me the last question. Yalla, Abdullah.
Yes, teacher.
Education was developed in the last 20 years.
The kitchen was developed.
No. Let's move to number 17. Education was developed in the last 20 years. This is very important sentence, okay? Why? Because now we are doing the opposite. Okay, education. I'm gonna write the sentence. Education was developed 20 years ago. Okay, now we want to change this sentence. He asks you to start with the government. He asks you to start with what? The government. Okay, the government.
Teacher, government means محافظة.
لا، الحكومة. governorate يعني محافظة. government اللي هي الحكومة. the government. Okay. Here I forgot to write was correctly, sorry. So here it was. I'm gonna write it here. Was 20 years ago, okay? Now, we want to change this sentence. Education was developed. Okay, if you read this sentence, you will find that, is it active? Okay? Ask yourself, who developed the education? Who developed the education? هل التعليم هو اللي بيطور؟ Who?
No.
So if you want to know if the sentence is active or passive, just ask yourself who, مين. Okay? If you find that this subject can be the doer, لو لقيت ان السبجكت اللي عندك الفاعل هو ممكن يعمل الفعل، يبقى ده السبجكت، يبقى ده الدور of the action.
Education was developed by government.
Yeah, so this is the sentence was like that. Okay, now I want to change it with the government. يبقى أنا هغيرها بالفاعل الحقيقي اللي هو the government. بعدها
was developed.
No.
لا. Developed.
Yes, excellent يا عبد الله. Developed. Yes. Education, and you remove by, of course, education in the 20 years, yeah, or in the last 20 years. يبقى أنا عملت إيه يا ولاد؟ يبقى لو جات لي الجملة العكس وفيها was و past participle وحبينا نحول الجملة من passive إلى active، كل اللي نعمله إن إحنا نحذف was، أوكي، omit verb to be، نحذف الverb to be، نبدأ الجملة عندي بالsubject، بالreal subject اللي هو الفاعل اللي قام بعمل الفعل the doer، and then you put the object ونرجع الobject لمكانه. يبقى the government developed education. تمام؟ يبقى أنا عندي different types of questions قلناها النهاردة. إيه هي الأنواع المختلفة؟ يا إما هيجي في الاختبار يسألني عن يحط by أو was أو where، أو آخر حاجة معايا إن هو تحولي الجملة تشقلبيها إلى active تاني. تمام؟ الهوم ورك بتاعنا يا شطار إن إحنا نحل الجمل from 1. إحنا ما حليناش من 1 لحد كام؟ 1 minute. إحنا ما حليناش from 1 up till 6. Okay? So you will answer from 1 to 6 and send it to me on Telegram. Okay? You will answer from 1 to 6 and then send it to me on Telegram. This is the homework. Okay? This is the homework. معايا يا أولاد؟
Okay, miss. Okay.
Okay.
Miss.
Okay.
Miss.
From 1 to 6. From 1 to 6 is your homework.
Teacher,
Miss,
excuse me, teacher.
Okay, miss.
Excuse
Miss,
me,
what
teacher.
is
I'm
wrong?
parents. And which book is this?
My teacher.
My teacher.
Yes.
Miss أنا مالك teacher.
Is it
Thank
the
you,
book?
teacher.
يا جماعة بس ناخد دورنا في الكلام علشان أنا أسمع الكل